Today, America celebrates a historic 4th of July unlike any before. Across the nation, millions of people have come together to mark 250 years of American independence, making this one of the biggest Independence Day celebrations in the country's history. From Washington, D.C. to cities across the United States, streets are filled with patriotic parades, live concerts, military tributes, and families proudly waving the American flag. Crowds have gathered in parks, stadiums, and public squares to honor the nation's history and celebrate its journey from 1776 to 2026 in Washington, D.C. The National Mall has become the heart of the celebration, where thousands of visitors are experiencing special ceremonies, live performances, and national tributes that reflect America's heritage, unity, and progress over 250 years.